I'm Yue Qi. I'm from student chapter of University College Dublin in Ireland, and I'm gonna demonstrate the signal transmission over free space and optical fiber. We got the transmitter and the receiver here. We have the diode socket on both of them to emit and to receive the signal. And here is the optic fiber. And if I point one end of the fiber to the room light or the lamp, and we can see the lights coming out of the other end, and the color is yellow. This is because the optical fiber absorbs some colors more than the others. And so firstly, I'll demonstrate the analog signal transmission over free space. And I'll use radio as the input signal. So if I place the transmitter and the receiver at the right position, we should be able to hear the sound from the speaker on the receiver.
Otherwise, you're going to be staying at the Holiday Inn. The good news, Emily, it is fixable. That's the good news. It's fixable. I do.
Yeah. And the signal being transmitted here is mainly infrared light. So to show the infrared radiation behave similar way to the visible light, we can place the transmitter and the receiver at an angle. And then we can use a mirror to reflect the light. So if we place the mirror at the right position, we are supposed to hear the sound again.
Beside my desk about 3 weeks ago, I was looking out the window and just having a jolly time, and I picked up one.
And the analog signal can be transmitted through the optical fiber as well. So I'll just plug in the fiber into the transmitter and receiver.
Terrible Thomas, all right. Okay.
We can hear the sound again.
Now traumatized Terrible Thomas, Garrett. Yeah, traumatized Thomas.
So to show the signal is actually passed through the optical fiber, and I will use another short cable. I plug it into the receiver. And then if I put these two ends together, and the signal can be transmitted again. And we can also use the like microphone instead of the radio as the input signal. And now I'll show the digital signal transmission, first over the optical fiber. So I'll switch both the transmitter and the receiver to a digital mode. I plug in the fiber. And by pressing the Morse key, we can see here on the receiver, both the buzzer and the digital indicator are turned on. So similarly, like the analog signal, the digital signal can be transmitted over free space as well. Just to make sure that the socket on the transmitter and the receiver face each other, so the signal can be transmitted successfully. Thank you.